Hey, it's Spence from WPLaunchify.com. I'm out for my walk today. The summer weather has returned. It's a little wet. I was thinking about don't melt plastic. Just snap together Lego blocks. The thing is, when we're putting together the LaunchKit platform, it's not that the software isn't available for WordPress people to use. It's that it's scattered all over the ecosystem, the flea market, if you will. And it's really difficult and time-consuming, time-wasting, if you will, to figure out which parts to put together and how. And people end up melting plastic in order to make it work. And that's a mistake, because what you need is somebody to curate the right Lego blocks, put them into a box, put a nice picture on it of what the result is you're going to get, and be available to help you. That's the thing that we do with the LaunchKit platform. And because we have all the same features of the high-end CRMs, but you own it and control it, and you can move it around or leave at any time with WordPress under the hood, you've got the best of all worlds. So if you've been melting plastic, try the LaunchKit platform, save yourself the hassle, and see how it works for you. I'll see you in the next video.